Agilent Technologies, big tech move down. They missed the earnings. They're not good. I can tell you it's a favorite on Wall Street. So now they're going to have to deal with slower growth. You can see that we broke below the 200-day moving average in the after-hours market. The high was 146, and we hit a low of 123. That is a huge drop right here. So the high today before the report was 148.21, and the low in after hours is 123. How to buy the dips. Agilent Technologies, it's a favorite. We're going to look for a fast entry, then knowing when to exit after we buy it. After this big dip down, that trade will be set up for the morning. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Get involved. Don't wait. Don't hesitate.